Hey there, welcome back to Hardy Brothers Outdoors. Josh Hardy here. We are in the middle of Snowmageddon, Snowpocalypse, call it what you like. We got a very healthy dose of snow here in southeastern Ohio. I just got done taking a measurement. It looks like we're at about 7 to 8 inches right now, and there's more snow coming over the next 2 hours. It's been pretty windy, and the wind's going to continue. Temperature right now is below 30. I think it's 27. Feels like 17 is what it said. So I've got the tractor. It's warming over in the barn dominium, and we're going to go jump on that and try out the edge tamers. We put those on the bucket yesterday. If you didn't see that video, I'll put a link of it up here. And we're gonna give those a shot. The snow is still pretty fluffy and dry, so I'm hoping it's gonna move pretty easy. But I've got a I don't know, probably 400, 500 feet of that's more than that. I've got a wraparound driveway that I share with the neighbor, and then their driveway up to their house. And then across the road through those woods over there is where Jason's new cabin is. And I'm gonna go ahead and try to plow his the best I can. He's got some ruts, so we'll see how it works. All of them are gravel or crushed concrete. So the edge tamers should help keep us up out of, getting rid of all the gravel. I put down a ton of gravel this year between myself and the neighbors. So we wanna keep it on the driveway where it belongs. So we're gonna go in here and get the 2032 fired up, get it out and start plowing. I've got the backhoe on for some ballast and traction, and we'll just see how it goes and show you how the progress is along the way. Give a little bit of feedback on what we think of the edge tamers. We bought them last year into season, haven't had a chance to use them yet, so this is the first real test in the snow. Stick around. right, so far this is going really well. I'd say the biggest difference with using the tamers versus not using them is now I'm plowing versus digging, and they work like skis, and just kind of push right along, so I'm able to push a lot more snow without the front end digging in or bogging down. So it's looking pretty good so far. I'm going to keep going. I've got a little bit more to do on the neighbors. I'm going to head over to Jason's, and then we'll see how that goes. We had a base layer of freezing rain, so finding the traction to be a little bad once I get down there. So I'm thinking chains are in my future for sure. Okay, so I didn't think, I guess one of the benefits I didn't realize, which is kind of silly, but actually saved me a ton of time with the edge tamers on. A lot less backing up and you know, adjusting and all that kind of stuff. I would say there's probably one thing I couldn't do as well as I did before, and that was back dragging. And on the hills here, it helps to be able to back drag, get down, you know, to the gravel, just because of the traction. But I think once I get some chains, that won't be an issue anymore. There are so many spots here where I was slipping and sliding, and you know, the pucker factor was in effect for sure today. But you know, the edge tamers came out, did exactly what they're supposed to do. I had to retighten one, so make sure you get them tightened down well. You don't want to lose them. And I just kind of cranked down on it pretty good. So 3/4 inch socket is all it takes to put those in. The other thing I would mention is I got these free gloves to try. The brand is PBUKER. I'll put a link in the description. But heated gloves, I've never had heated gloves before. And man, they were nice. So check out the link, check out the description of those. Overall, 2032R did good. I almost didn't get it back up the driveway. All of the driveways now are down to that layer of ice. So I got to the point where I had to come up the hill backwards to get into the barn. I don't know if my SD card burned out before I got there, but spinning quite a bit. So definitely going to need chains, whether I'm using the edge tamers or a pusher. Those are going to be in my future here. It's a little dicey on some of the angles in the hills here. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Check out a link to the R2 Manufacturing guys site. It's either r2manufacturing.com or edgetamer.com. Pretty cool stuff. We have 2 more videos coming. One with the 12-inch extenders to help carry stuff. And the other thing is the trash tamers. So check out those videos. They're coming in the next few days. Thanks a lot. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.